friends, family, everybody in between. Welcome back to Chicago Reacts. I'm Zach. I'm an actor here in the city of Chicago, and I'm joined by who else? Who other than I'm Michael. I'm also an actor here in the city of Chicago, and we are back with Chicago Reacts. We are checking out I Must Win MrBeast's $10,000 refrigerator by Technoblade. This is more Techno Potato War Trilogy. So we're giving it another go. If this one also rings well with you guys, then
we'll definitely be doing more Technoblade stuff. And thank you, big shout out to Nonsensical who suggested this video. We really appreciate those suggestions in that comment section. So feel free to leave one. Let us know what you want us to react to or anything else. Also, like this video, subscribe to the channel. And
check out in the description, we got Chicago Plays, the Twitch channel linked below. So that way, when we go live, you guys will have that quick access. You guys will be notified right away. And Chicago Movies and TV.
That's what I was going to say.
Yeah.
Chicago Reacts, Movies and TV.
Yeah, baby. We've got the movies and the television now. We got it all. We got it all, man.
And then check out those links in the description for our personal stuff. We'll give you more details after the video.
Yeah.
With that, let's jack in.
Must win a refrigerator.
I gotta see this. Oh, Technoblade. I'm so excited to be back with Technoblade. This is gonna be fun.
He needs the refrigerator to keep all those potatoes. That's cool.
It was a day like any other when, bam, new Discord notification. It's MrBeast. He's doing a hide-and-seek contest, and the winner gets a $10,000 refrigerator.
Whoa.
I had to have it. But the event was in 1 hour. I needed a plan, and fast. I decided to use one of the oldest Minecraft techniques, camouflage. But I couldn't just show up looking like this. What if MrBeast had us all get together to do the intro? Everyone would see my disguise. But I had a plan. You see, Minecraft skins can have a toggleable second layer. Now, I'd never edited a skin before, but I mean, it's just copy-pasted. How hard could it be? And finally, with only minutes to spare, I had done it. The only thing left to do was put on my masterpiece. Don't laugh. It's for the fridge. Okay, it looks a little chubby, but so long as nobody looks at me too closely.
Something's a little off there.
Shh. MrBeast explained the rules. We were on a recreation of the planet Earth, and us hiders had access to the map you see now. The game began.
No way! No way!
And took off my disguise. So this is my hiding spot right here. Probably not that clutch. I Am Wildcat has the right idea. He just went off into the middle of the ocean. He's out of there. While he's fallen to his death, if I could direct your attention to the shiny subscribe button, doesn't it look beautiful? Don't you just want to press it? Guys, please, I depend on internet numbers for validation.
That map looks so
As
fun.
I watched the others spread across the map, I joined a voice call with a fellow participant.
Hi.
Hello.
Techno!
Where are you right now?
Techno!
Wait.
Oh, I'm so glad I should have came in quiet.
I was literally about to ask him where he was.
I know. Techno, where are you hiding?
Yeah, I love Antarctica. I did a whole video series in there.
Okay, I'm heading there. Are you actually in Antarctica?
Why would he lie?
Techno, can you just give me a hint? Is anyone in Antarctica?
How many fridges are you willing to pay me for this?
I want a $5,000 fridge if you win.
You mean like an extra fridge?
Yeah, a $10,000
Yo.
fridge and a $5,000 fridge.
Yo, double fridge. Yeah, there's no one there. There's no one there at all.
Okay. I'm gonna go report this information to Chris.
Except me.
I can't believe that people fell off the side of the earth. Christopher Columbus was wrong. I think they found Chandler.
Chandler is getting kind of owned right now.
Yeah.
While the hunters were busy.
That's so good. This is your falling to your death.
I mean, yeah, like it's not going to keep going around.
Right. Wait, no. No.
Not in Minecraft.
But just that was the execution of the joke was perfect.
So busy murdering Chandler, I began searching for a better hiding place. I found a hole in the map and stayed underground for 30 seconds before an admin kicked me out. Then I headed into China, where things took a turn for the worse. Oh god, they're headed right towards me!
Hide. I give the greatest advice. Hide. Don't be seen.
Thanks, I'll hide then. I just saw MrBeast. Why is...
No
what?
way.
Wait.
Oh no.
No way.
Wait.
Bombing.
What am I hearing right now? What am I hearing? Wait. I'm getting nuked. I'm getting actually nuked.
Run!
Oh, but look at how well hidden
I
he's
just
gonna
got
be.
actually nuked.
Wait, did they find you?
I stared Mr. Beast like in the eyes.
What? Did you withstand nukes? How
I
did you do
withstood
that?
the nukes.
That's
You literally
amazing.
got nuked.
They're
They
just
went
bombing
somewhere else.
places to try to
They
find
went
people.
somewhere else.
They literally nuked you.
They're both flying back. They're both flying back, and the admin is staring right at me.
Oh, wait. No way.
And okay. I was in such a clutch spot, and it was just like,
All I see is arrows, so I can only imagine what it actually was.
man, Asia seems to be the place right now, eh? I will post your coordinates, Fundy. Spifey, go away. Why are all the hiders coming over to check me out? Wait, they're actually sabotaging me. They just walked by and placed a boat. Why did they place like 20 boats? Wait, this is actually coordinated scam.
I think that small ant wasn't joking.
Bro, Pun's just placed a boat as well.
All right. I just realized you guys can see where me and Chris are on your maps, which makes it kind of easy for you guys to dodge it. I don't like that. So here's what we're gonna do. Chris,
All right.
pick a random continent.
Asia.
In 5 minutes, we're gonna just completely delete Asia off the map. Oh my god.
Oh no.
I was never hiding there. I've been in time.
I see Mr. Beast instantly start flying towards them.
Also, I don't have my boat anymore.
My boat got taken a long time ago.
Taken.
Someone's boat.
Taken.
Wow, that's crazy, huh?
The audacity. Minutes later, they decided,
We're just gonna cut off the entire right side of the map.
which is not what I wanted to hear in Australia.
Wait,
This meant that I would have
what?
to travel across half the planet, all while the hunters were patrolling, looking for people crossing the new border. If I wanted any chance of getting past them and getting that refrigerator, I needed to go faster than I ever had before, and there was only one way I was getting that kind of speed: ice boating. In Minecraft, rowing across ice lets you travel.
It's becoming like hide and go seek meets battle royale.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, we're cutting off
yeah.
that side.
Yeah. And I mean, I get it. They're giving away a $10,000 fridge, supposedly.
Yeah.
But it's
sure they
like,
will.
it's like, come on, man. Like, I don't know. Figure out a way to just like
man.
eliminate half the map.
Do it.
That's not
I
About
like it.
9 miles per hour, and there was only one place I knew with that much ice. I headed to Antarctica. I reached the shores and began gliding across the ice. I just made it clear of the new border when I saw both hunters rapidly approaching me on the map. I dived underwater and managed to not get spotted, but when I resurfaced for air, one of them doubled back.
Jimmy, I think you missed something down here.
I don't think you missed anything, actually.
I think you missed something.
Wait. No, wait. Give me a second here. I have a cool trick that I can show you guys. All right. Don't pay any attention to my skin. I am playing with honor here. I am playing. So basically, what I'd like to say is, you'll never catch me alive. Wait. You'll never go. Wait. You'll never catch me alive. I died. Rip.
No, you did it. You're right here.
I
Techno!
died. Rip. Oh well.
Techno! I'm trying to negotiate with you. Get on top of this stupid boat.
Okay. Negotiations. Okay.
Stand right there. We gotta move into our own private chat, because, move to recording too.
Oh god.
All right. Wait.
Currently, 2 of the 10 people have been found.
Yeah.
We could kill you right now, and that would add 1 to the total.
True.
Or you could rat out 2 people, and we let you go. Are you willing to sacrifice 2 people so you stay in?
As I looked at the map, I saw it filled with my peers, my friends, people I'd known for years. Did I really have it in me to sabotage 2 of them just for a measly refrigerator? Yes.
All right, so now Techno has a prison cell. Tell us where 2 people are right now, or we're gonna kill you.
Yeah, there's 2 of them in Eastern Europe. Just go north and a bit to the east of here. You can't miss them.
All right, we'll just leave you there.
Okay, I'll just be stuck in this cell. It's fine.
If we find them, we'll come get you.
Yeah, well, if I don't find them, I'm gonna
Call it.
Oh,
Did you call
I
it?
see him!
You called
I
it.
called it!
You called it.
I freaking called it! Well, dude, I bet you he's freaking out right now.
Should I be in this voice chat still?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you sold him out.
I just gave the general location, all right.
Hey, wait, Chris, wait! Oh, I got him! I hit it! I landed it!
Oh, what have I done? What have I done?
Are we heading the right direction, Techno? Do you want your freedom?
We have to kill 1 more person.
Are we confident Techno couldn't escape from that prison? I'm going to check.
Yeah, we should probably check, actually. He's really good at stuff like
What?
that.
What? Guys, come on. Come on, guys, come on. Have a little bit of faith. But
Wait, how'd you get out?
Guys, come on. Guys, please. Guys.
Hold on. He asked for a boat. Did the boat I give him help him escape?
Why did you give him a boat?
What?
He asked for it. I was trying to be nice. Why
didn't you tell me you gave him a boat, you nincompoop?
What?
I'm not a nincompoop.
Yes, you are. You can jump on the boat.
Is that actually how you get out?
I just jumped and placed the boat outside and then got in the boat outside.
Chris! I just those on the maps. They no longer have it open. And I wanted to let you know that the prisoners are now going to help me find a few people.
Oh,
so
no.
You might want to move to a new spot.
Oh, they're starting to fight. They can all fly.
Oh, God.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
While I hid in the jungles of South America, participants started getting eliminated left and right.
No! And
Serpentine!
Serpentine!
Okay, it's far away. I can breathe. I need to breathe. Okay, we're good. Please tell me that breathing wasn't my flaw. Please tell me that breathing wasn't my flaw. Move!
No, and he just got teleported.
He got teleported.
Save! Plot armor.
Oh my God.
This is so scary.
Oh God, there's a tree burning next to me. There's fire. Oh no.
Oh, is there?
Oh boy, they have
Run! Run!
You okay?
Run! My plot armor! Go!
Just the goals.
Oh,
So many boats! Get out of there!
There were only 4 participants left, but I had a big problem. The border was slowly shrinking towards America, and to get there, I would have to travel across hundreds of blocks of open field. I'd be visible for miles. I waited for the opportune moment to make a dash for it. But before I could find a good hiding place, I saw them. The hunters.
Do you hear it too, Puns?
Yep. If they burn this tree down that's above me, I lose. There's no way. I don't.
Yeah, same here, man.
Is it gonna work?
Yes.
Is camouflage gonna work?
No.
Oh, is it gonna work?
Yes.
I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna
totally
work.
gonna work.
Oh.
I mean, look at him. He's
done
in
with Wildcat right there. They're all just scanning the border. This is terrifying.
I don't know.
That's so good. Oh,
He's almost like less visible out in the open. I'm like, go,
Yeah.
The border's gonna shrink nonstop at this point.
I don't know why. Would that affect you significantly?
No, I'm just curious.
Guys, I'm gonna be honest. I'm really scared right now.
I'm not gonna lie. Same here.
There were 6 before.
Technically, the number went up.
Oh, where is
at one
he?
point.
Dang, there's
Oh, he's
4
underwater.
people. How are we gonna find you? So what is your guys? So what is your plan been so
He's
far?
just waiting to try to breathe.
No way. No way.
We didn't even know it was happening, to be honest.
No.
I mean, if you guys
Way.
think a little campy.
Techno's gonna win this fridge.
Hide and seek.
That was
Techno's gonna win this fridge.
Me.
I mean, I just scanned.
That
the
is such a
entire
good
top of North
spot.
America. You guys
What?
are clearly hiding underground. Oh,
Get him out of here.
Techno definitely is a tryhard, so he probably changed his skin to blend in. Get him! Puns, come over here.
I don't want to come over there.
Puns! No!
All right, 3 remaining.
Oh my God. That's crazy.
Chandler,
man.
look at this flower right here. I've never seen that before. Is that like a new, like, bio? Like, yeah, right here. This one right here. Yeah.
Wait, Chris.
Man, you're just
I'll
like,
make a deal with you. If I
Chris,
tell you where I am, I get
yeah.
$5,000.
Yeah.
You will.
Same.
Oh, so you'll make a deal with us? Where was this deal before we found you?
Oh my God.
$5,000. Take it or leave it.
For what? What do we get?
I get $5,000. I tell you where Technoblade is.
Don't kill him.
Wait. I feel.
Lead us to Techno.
Wait.
Oh, I see him.
I was right here. Hey, guys.
Wait, he's trying to run away. Come back here.
Hey, can I get a dolphin up in here? Can I just yoink a dolphin?
why can't
please?
I hit you?
Can I just get a dolphin?
why-
1 second
why
here.
aren't I doing
1 second.
damage?
Can I
You gotta
just?
wait our
Okay.
turn.
Oh!
oh
You sold
no.
me out.
Connor, how you doing, Connor?
You sold me out, Connor.
Wait.
I tried.
That means Fundy is the winner.
Oh my God! Look at that sweaty skin. Oh my
Where was Fundy?
Oh, competitive advantage.
Oh, did the same tactic.
I can't believe you didn't change your skin for
Shame on you, Fundy. Shame on you, Fundy. How could you use a Minecraft?
No, I don't have that.
I think the moral of this story is
I
that at the
can't
end of the
believe
day,
you-
sometimes the best
I love how
camouflage is not-
Technoblade still out Minecrafted. Like, was able to
Yep.
change the skin back and forth.
Yep.
Like, that's brilliant.
Yeah.
hiding
So
directly
good.
next to a man wearing a bright blue Sonic onesie. And while I didn't win a $10,000 refrigerator, apparently I actually did win a $5,000 refrigerator. We win these!
Okay.
Oh, so
wow,
much fun.
and the thing, Techno is really good at making entertaining videos. Like I don't know.
Well, and I feel like really capturing the story of an event like that is really fun. And yeah, they do a good job like rolling with the changes and everything like that. So fun to see Technoblade in a new. I guess still doing a lot of like what is in Technoblade's like niche, but just something outside of Potato Wars. I mean, the Potato Wars were excellent, but it's really fun to see something else. Very fun. Yeah, excellent.
And yeah, he got out Minecrafted.
Yeah,
Like that was so funny. Like how he's like, how dare you use a skin?
yeah, but he had the camouflage where he
To the
could
brain.
jump, he could go back and forth. Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't think the other player could. Mr. Fundy, whatever it was.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah, so he's still like, from a strategy standpoint, I think had the best strategy. Just
It was
cheated.
Yeah, it was kind of ridiculous that it was everybody
how
else
long
that
was
found them.
Technoblade there.
Yeah, but I don't know. Like that
Which
would
at
have been.
At that point, though, they'd gotten rid of, like, I think we could see where everyone was, but I don't think that they could see that at the time.
Oh no! Right? No.
Very cool.
Hope you enjoyed your $5,000 fridge.
Yeah, and thank you again, Nonsensical, for the suggestion.
Yeah,
if you have any other Technoblade suggestions, anyone watching, let us know. We are really loving Technoblade. Hit that like button so we know that you are enjoying that too, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything else.
Check out all our other stuff. It's all linked below. Nice and organized for you. We're really enjoying all the elements of these channels between Twitch and being able to actually play and live stream with you guys, and then actually reacting to some different stuff. So be sure to check all that out and our own links as well.
Yeah, because I'm still performing with the Drunk Shakespeare Society. Check out my website for those performance dates, and Zach's doing.
I'm doing Justice on Trial off-Broadway tour. It's a ton of fun, and it's a play about some really deep stuff. So if you're interested in it, we're going to different cities in 2022. So feel free to reach out, and I'd be more than happy to tell you more.
With that, on Chicago Reacts.